Hello everyone, welcome. Imagine this. You wake up one morning after a good night's sleep. You have no idea what's about to happen. Just like every other day after breakfast, you open your inbox. There is an email waiting for you. The subject line says your position has been eliminated. The first question that comes to your mind is simple. What's going on?
You open the mail, curious and confused. And there it is. Your position has been terminated by an AI decision. What a great way to start a day, right? And here is the most interesting part. This decision wasn't made by your manager, not by HR, not even by the CEO. It was made by an artificial intelligence.
Maybe the real title of this story should be this. What happens when AI starts making decisions in the business world? This scenario may sound like a science fiction to you. But one thing should not be forgotten. Today, artificial intelligence is everywhere.
Even if it doesn't yet shape our lives directly, it's rapidly becoming part of them talking to us, motivating us and assisting like a consultant. But what happens when, in the near future, AI is given decision-making authority inside the companies? Just think about it. Every year, it analyzes millions of company data points and may decide who gets laid off purely based on performance data. And the most disturbing part, it would feel no responsibility for those decisions. No conscience, no mercy. Only analysis and a decision. Just like in our earlier example, it might be the first to report that an entire department is unnecessary and recommend shut it down.
Artificial intelligence is adapting to our world at an incredible speed. But the real question is this. How well are we adapting to artificial intelligence? Will we emotionally accept and respect every logical decision it makes? In the end, will the final decision be made by a human authority or by a system operates purely on data and predictions? While discussing all these negative aspects and the frightening side of the artificial intelligence, there is one important truth we should not forget.
AI is not our enemy. It's simply an entity that applies with full focus whatever it has been taught and whatever data it has been given. The only real differences between AI and humans is the absence of the emotions. It does not evaluate decisions based on ethics or moral values. But perhaps that too may change in the future. Who knows? Maybe we will create laws and regulations that AI systems must follow. Then, instead of emotions, AI would make decisions within defined boundaries, re-evaluating situations and aiming for the most rational outcome. Whether that will truly convince us is still questionable. We must not forget that when personal interest is involved, human beings have always tended to side with their own benefit. In such a situation, no matter how logical AI's decision may be, it may still struggle to convince us as humans. Or perhaps we simply won't care and the inevitable outcome we have been talking about will arrive. There are some clear conclusions we can draw from this.
Artificial intelligence is a reality, even if we sometimes find it hard to accept. And it already exists in our world today. The important question is where we as humans will stand in relation to AI. Will we support it and work together with it? Or will we stand against it?
Enjoyed exploring the future with us? Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay connected.